Hey everybody, I got my prize from Instructables.com. If you remember a few weeks back, I did a seashell, or not seashell, but sea glass pendant that I cast in, what was it, solder, silver solder. And so I won a prize off of that. If you go to Instructables, they have a whole bunch of different contests that they do on a regular basis. And you should really check it out because they have some really cool prizes. So let's see what I got here. Oh, sweet. Oh, that's a cool box. Check that out. Got myself a nice maroon t-shirt. Instructables. Autodesk, make anything. That's cool. I love getting these robot t-shirts. Let's see what else I got here. Ooh. Got like a letter or something. We'll open that in a second. Oh, cool. A pin? That's always cool. I'll put that on my pack. Ooh, now here's the meat and potatoes of this whole thing. It's a Leatherman. Let's see what kind of Leatherman we got. Man, check out this packaging. This is cool. Look, they have like this corrugated cardboard, and then you have this vinyl sheet that goes on top of it. I've never seen that before. Torque pack. Alright, so we got a Leatherman here. Oh, nice. Leatherman rebar. That's heavy duty. Looks like it has some replaceable wire cutting jaws. Got your standard screwdriver. Bottle opener. What else we have here? We got a file. That's a heavy duty file. We've got to be careful with that. Got a knife, of course. Looks like a stitching awl, a flathead, 2 different sizes. Oh, looks like we also have a serrated saw blade here. Cool. We'll have to see what kind of project we can do with this. Also comes with a neat little nylon sheath. Alright, let's see what letter we got. Ooh, Instructables. Stuff's already falling out. Prizes. Got a sticker here. Thank you for everything you have brought to the Instructables community. It's people like you that make it such a great place, from all of us at Instructables. Cool. Look, and they all signed the card too. Oh, this is neat. A big giant robot sticker. A project list. Look, it's like a little notepad. That's really cool. Actually, I really like that. Got some quick reference stuff in the back. Alright, so yeah. Go win yourself something at Instructables.com, make something, and maybe a prize will show up at your doorstep.